Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. Like I said, Tamily, yeah, man. Tamily with Wicked, yeah, man. Tamily with Wicked. So that one I dropped a couple of hours ago. Obviously, I was on the road just forwarding, and after the road, I check out that man for me now. So I'm say, yo, I have to drop it before I go to bed. So I'm going to jump in the one and say where the goes over bars. I deal with the man. Let's go.
Come on. Kill him. Kill him.
What's your man, man?
Elena. Elena. We do them. Cinnamon. Wicked. 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 Sandals. Wicked.
Bumbleclad. That man, I should say the thing real. And a blood clamors. Imitation. It's real like this. No. This is an imitation. Alright, watch out.
Cinnamon.
Wicked. Jump out one and on me, G. Yeah. Wicked. Ready?
Come on. Kill him. Elena. Elena. We do them. Cinnamon. Wicked.
Wicked. Wicked. Hold on, let's go. Come on. Man say, my boss, me own a gun, me gun no come from the man. Say, man say, yo, no Dan no give him no gun, of him own a thing them. Clear up! Yeah. Gonna come from no man. And see a pussy bird, him mute, come out and back. Me see that girl here, you know when I'm feeling the murder, right? That's the same tattoo up girl, like, you know when I'm feeling the murder, right? Outside with it, you know? Yeah, man, she.
Me use the beast, the beast, living on me, headshot. The boy, yeah, bad job, mama,
Jam, big up.
Come on.
Family.
Elena.
Family.
We do them. Cinnamon. Wicked. Wicked. Sandals. Wicked.
Hold on there. Yeah. Coming back.
Me use the beast, the beast, living on me, headshot. The boy, yeah, bad job,
Come on.
Your floor pussy. Get your floor pussy. Hey.
We do them.
Fuck with the goose in the yard. Now fuck with the goose in the yard. Wicked. Wicked. Yeah. Me must be one a gun, me gonna come from no man. Once back against the wall, me not trust nobody. Yeah, body fine pan road, the road hot like hell, yo. Yo! Yo, you understand what I do, bro? Him finish the rhyming scheme with alright, him finish a rhyme, so him say hell. Road that like hell. Then him start out the rhyming scheme again with hell, brother. Like, Tamily, bro, why? Why you show off? Why you show off, bro? Me just pick it up in Wicked. Alright, say it again. black girls it is. Where it come from? What's it? Yo! Oh, yo! I'm gonna pick up this, bro. Yo, this is crazy, bro. This is fucking crazy, bro. This is crazy, dog. Man said back against the wall, me not trust nobody. Body find a road, the road that like hell. Then him gonna start it again with hell. Listen. Yo! Yo! What the fuck, bro? Left car tire mark. Yo, this is mesmerizing, bro. This is crazy, bro. Me never hear no artist do this yet, no dancer. If an artist do this, please tell me the song in the comment section. Me never hear no artist do this yet. I never. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Man said the body drop on mama. Mama ball for God, but God did busy. He got it too busy for even answer mama prayer. Man said pussy left later, you can't catch me with flesh. Yo, this crazy, bro. Man said when them gun bust it place collapse like the Twin Tower. Yo, bro, I know, yo, shit, bro. This wicked with you. This wicked with you, bro. Come on, big up again. Wicked. Let me see if I do that second verse again. Yo, you know, I'm more old full of a girl. Yo, this is crazy, bro. But more. Money want you off to buy breast somebody, but yo. What am I listening to, bro? She buy breast and body jaw so big me slap it till he wheel up. Alright then so him done that with up, him gonna start up with up again. Breast and body jaw so big me slap it till he wheel up. True, man. It's crazy, bro. Man said, Miguel, me spread up boy like Jackie Sheet. Pan line! Man said, Spartan girl no smell like Redderin. Wicked. Girl about it now. Real freak that you know. Real bumbuckler freak that you know, dog. Watch out. Yo, that song about your fuck, bro. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, bro, for actually write this and make it make sense, bro. For actually write this and make it make sense, bro. Bro, the last word of the rhyme, of the sentence, the man start the sentence with the same fucking word, bro. Yo, Tommy, big up yourself, bro. Me know I'm tired, what time now? After 3, me know I'm tired, but me did have to catch that. If me never catch that, bro, something that definitely wrong with me, bro. This is fucking crazy, dog. This is mesmerizing. I'm gonna go finish this video and listen to it again, bro. This is crazy. Let me know what you think. What I wanna do. Go to big up on yourself. Sparta, yo. Big up on yourself. In the comment section. Let me know what you think. All right, peace.